Recently, I was talking with a friend about superstitions that we held as we were children. She talked about hers as being step on a crack, break your mother's back. I didn't believe in that one because I'd stepped on many cracks and my mother was just fine. My brother and I, however, did hold our breath as we drove past graveyards. Superstitions for children give them a sense of security. And I think in our work environments, in our professional lives, we sometimes fall prey to this kind of magical thinking as well, where we think that because we've engaged in a certain kind of behavior or a habit and it's allowed us to be successful, that that is going to continue to allow us to be successful in the future. And I think we need to constantly be asking ourselves, is our response, our reaction helpful in this particular moment, in this particular context, with this particular person, and not fall to that kind of magical thinking.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.